Welcome to my channel. So this was my second time going to Sephoria, and it is also the second year of Sephoria. Last year was their first time doing it, and I gave them about an 8 out of 10 because I thought they needed to kind of get more space and be a little better organized. Well, this year was definitely a lot better, and I had a way better time this year. So they also changed up the ticket pricing. So last year it was anywhere from like $100 to $500 because they had 3 ticket tiers. This year I believe the lowest ticket tier was like $90, and then it was VIP, which was, after taxes and everything, it came out to like $370. So I decided to do VIP since I did general admission last year. And apparently this gift bag is worth over $900. So I'll be adding everything up during the video, and we'll see exactly how much this gift bag is worth, because that is a bold claim and that is a lot of money. So let's start with stuff I got just walking around through the convention and waiting in line to get all the samples and stuff. Before we get there, quickly, I will say that there were a lot of booths, and kind of like last year, I mean there were a lot of booths last year too, but they did move from the location in downtown LA to the Shrine Auditorium. And parking, there wasn't any event supplied parking, but it's right by / kind of on the USC campus. So I just parked in the USC parking structure, and I ended up not paying for parking because no one was there and the little parking arm was up, so I got free parking, which is a pretty amazing thing. The VIP check-in, I had to do will call because I bought my ticket kind of late. So there's a VIP will call, a general admission will call, a separate VIP entry, and a separate general admission entry. Same with the exits, VIP exit, general admission exit. So part of VIP is you also get an hour early, and there were 4 sessions, 2 sessions Saturday, one from 10 to 2, the other I believe from 4 to 8, and then the same on Sunday. So I ended up doing the 10 to 2 option for Sunday, and that means VIP could get in around 9, will call opened at 8. But it really wasn't as crowded as last year. I mean, there might have been the same amount of people, but it was such a larger space, it did not feel that crowded. Lines to get the freebies really weren't that long, maybe like 10, 15 minutes max, I think, but it wasn't bad at all. There were 2 stories, so the bottom floor was just like the main area with the majority of the brands, and then the second floor was the VIP lounge and then some of the other areas, and also like the dry bar was up there, and if you reserved any services, you would go upstairs to get those. They also did have master classes again this year, and I didn't end up registering for any of them because I wanted to do Nikki tutorials, which was yesterday, but the session was sold out for a VIP, and VIP includes a meet and greet with the person leading the master class afterwards, so I was pretty bummed. The VIP lounge I did check out briefly, you get a drink ticket and then there's supposed to be snacks. And when we checked in, they gave us this water bottle. So it says Sephoria House of Beauty on the front. And then it just says Sephora credit card program. So the VIP lounge and a bunch of things at the event were sponsored by the new Sephora credit card. And then you go into the VIP lounge and there's bar, and then there was also apparently a macaroon station, but when I got up there were no more macaroons. So that was sad. The VIP lounge was definitely not what I thought it would be. I thought it would be like more snacks and like food and drink options, and yeah, it wasn't really all that. I mean, it was cool because they had a ton of different charging stations, so you could also charge your phone or your cameras or whatever. But yeah, I don't know. I just stayed there long enough to finish my juice and then I left. So I think that's all for the little recap. Now let's get into the good stuff. So again, everything I picked up when I was just walking around. Let's see. I haven't looked at anything because I wanted to be surprised. Okay. So this is for Diva Curls. So we got a cute little bag here. And it was cool because they would talk to you and then they would give you samples that are like specific for your hair. And I've used their gel before, but I'm horrible with hair. It is what it is. Let's see. So I got the Leave-In Decadence Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. I got the No Poo Original and the One Condition Original. So one is a Zero Lather Conditioning Cleanser. One is a Daily Cream Conditioner. Got Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler to Fine and Control. I'm trying to move through this quickly because we got a lot of stuff. Let's see. This is their new High Shine Multi-Benefit Oil for Shine and Finish. Apparently this is just coming out. And the Melt Into Moisture Conditioning Mask. That's cool. I can actually use all this stuff for my hair, and I love that it came with a cute little bag. So Drunk Elephant, you could go and take a photo, and they had like this giant mouth set up, and you take a photo, and then they give you some samples. Let's see here. So the first thing you get is this little crossbody clear bag. It's like this neon pink color. And then the samples I got were the retinol cream and the hydration serum. There was also the Sephora credit card set up this little candy booth so you could go and like fill this little bag full of gummies. And all I had to eat today was cereal and a bunch of gummies now, so I'm quite hungry. But So Kaja, which is a Korean brand, I got their little cushion blush last year. I haven't used it, but they have really cute Korean influenced stuff. So they had a claw machine and you could try to win a prize. I got these glasses that came in these cute little bags. So I got these. And I got them in pink as well. I like them. Charlotte Tilbury, you could lay on this bed and like take a photo with this pink rotary phone. It was really cute. And then you get this little makeup bag. And the back is this pillow talk. It's like a silky kind of material. Lord Jones. So this, I haven't heard of them before, but all their products are infused with CBD, which of course is like the new thing nowadays, which is great because the CBD really does have good healing properties. I got their body lotion. Just a little body lotion. Sample of their, what is this? Their royal oil. And then another little body lotion. Oh, 2 more little body lotions. So that's cool. The longest line I waited in was for the booth Herbivore. They're like an all-natural skincare brand. So you wait and then you get this box. Okay, well, this box is like really difficult to open and I don't have scissors, but it comes with their facial oil trio. So it's 3 different oils. Each of them do a different thing for your face. And then we got these 2 little droplet bottles. One is a retinol alternative soothing serum. The other is an exfoliating glow serum. So they're nice too, they're little glass bottles. I got a sample of Clean Reserve. It's perfume. I don't know how to pronounce it, but Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Serum. It's like a green tea serum. Super hydrating. I got some other stuff from the booth too. Where is it? Pore Clearing Clay Mask. From Fresh, I got the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Cream and the Lotus Youth Preserve Facial Cream. Tarte, they were really focusing on their new foundation. So I got a hydrating primer and then a sample of the foundation. It has a bunch of different shades. And then we got the, what is this? Tarte of the Sea, Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink H2O Hydrating Boost. So it's a little mini moisturizer. From Youth to the People, we got an exfoliation power toner. These samples are actually really nice. From Ilia, a liquid highlighter serum. Here's the little highlight. Milk makeup. Ooh, the backpack. Whoa. It's like a holographic backpack. So I got a bunch of little enamel pins. So there's a heart. There's like an Illuminati triangle. And then there's one that just says Kush. And then some stickers. Summer Fridays. I've never heard of this brand before, but you would spin a wheel, win a prize. So I spun the wheel and I won a tote bag of goodies. Let's see what we got. 4 of these pins. And then 1 of these. And then I got, what is this? A jet lag mask. So 2 little samples of one of their masks. It's a Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Urban Decay, they were giving, their new collection is the Honey collection, so they were giving away this little keychain. For Mel Cosmetics, it was a Plinko sort of game, and then you would just win this, like, it's kind of like a test tube, and inside is a lipstick. Oh, it smells like Play-Doh, and I'm not mad at it. So this shade is called Shady Lady. It's actually a really pretty pink color. Nude sticks, it was also another claw game, but I lost, and then consolation prize was this magnetic matte lip color, and this is in the shade Boho. So it's just like a little nudie sort of lipstick. That's that. So that's everything that I got just from walking around. There were also some photo ops where they would actually like print out your photos. I like this Polaroid, that's pretty cool. I don't necessarily like myself in it, but I like the idea of it. So that is all the random free goodies that I got. I think the general admission gift bag is like over $300. So, I mean, you still get a pretty good amount of stuff in the general admission gift bag, so. VIP swag bag! Alright, let's see what we got. Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. Oh, also, if you got VIP, part of this is you get a $20 Sephora gift card. So they gave that to us when we were entering the event. That way we could use it to buy stuff at the event. So that's another thing that we got. Costa Sport Hyaluronic Lip Balm. Lip Fuel Hyaluronic Lip Balm. We got a Beauty Bento Kaja Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. So it comes like a little stack. So it comes with like a few different colors. This is cute. We've got a Peach Perfect from Too Faced, the translucent setting powder. Size, of course. Oh my god, it actually smells really good. Got a full size of the Lord Jones body lotion. It's fragrance free. Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Refining Serum. Little glass dropper bottle. Beauty Blender Solid which is the sponge and brush cleaner. Hum Beauty Starts From Within. It's hair, sweet hair gummies with benefits. Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. There's that. Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions mini palette. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. The Inky List Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. Oh, the baby bottle. Oh, little baby bottle. Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream Rescue and Recover. Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. Oh, this bottle is so friggin' nice. Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Replica Reproduction of Familiar Scents and Moments of Varying Locations and Periods. Beach Walk Sun-Kissed Salty Skin Female Fragrance. Yeah, it smells like the beach. That's amazing. Sephora Eyeliner. Waterproof Brush Tip Liquid Liner. Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. Brow Power Perfector. It Cosmetics 5-in-1 Waterproof Powder Gel Pencil. I think it's a little light for me, but it's a mini Natasha Denona Star palette. I now have 3 mini Natasha Denona palettes. A Milk Cosmetics. It's like a turquoise lippy. NARS lipstick. The color Cruising. Okay, it's like a nudie mauve. Bite Beauty Daytime Lip Balm. It's cute. Yves Saint Laurent Rouge Oil and Stick. Like a bright red color. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it smells kind of fruity. Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer Shine Balm. Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Eye Crayon. Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Quench Hydrating Primer. So we have a Gucci Bloom Hair Mist. Apply to hair as and when required for an all-over fragrance. Tom Ford Eau de Toilette. It smells kind of beachy. Alright, that's it, guys. So that's all that I got. The gift bag grand total worth is... And yeah, I had a fun time. So I think it's definitely better than last year, but I don't think it's perfect. So I'm gonna go with a 9 out of 10 for this year. Yeah, I mean, I think it was really great. I think it was way better, and I'm glad that they lowered the prices because $500 is a little ridiculous. That's it. I'm excited to play with all my new goodies, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!